Good morning, students. This is Pinky Yadav as an English teacher from Suraj School, Mahendragarh. So, dear students, in last 2 or 3 video lecture, I have discussed all the rules of subject verb concord, and today we will discuss all the rules, or we will practice some typical sentences of subject verb concord. So, today we will discuss or practice all the rules of subject verb concord. So, let's start the class. So, dear student, it is subject verb concord. Subject verb concord, you know very well about concord. Concord means agreement. There is an agreement between subject and verb. Verb says that verb will agree according to subject. It is an agreement between the both. Verb says that it will agree with the subject. According to subject, it is agreement between the both. So, we will apply these rules in these sentences. Now, come to first point. Ram blank space to school daily. Here we have verb go. So, here what should we write? Go or goes, will go, shall go, whatever we have to write. So, it will be decided that subject is singular. Subject Ram, and Ram is singular. If subject is singular, then verb also will be singular. It is a rule. According to subject, we have to use verb. So here Ram is subject singular, so verb also will be in singular. Go, so here it will be goes, because of Ram is singular. If in place of Ram, here he, she, it, these are singular pronoun. These are singular pronoun, and singular pronoun has used in place of singular noun. So these are singular, and if I write here I, you, we, they, or any plural name of a group, clear? So it will be called plural, and plural subject takes plural verb. If I use here I, then it will be go there. If I use here he, then it will be goes. Clear? If I use here they, so according to they, here it will be go. I mean to say singular subject takes singular verb. Clear? So first sentence. Next sentence, Renu and Minu. There are two subject here. There are two subject here, Renu and Minu. There are two characters, and two subject जो है are joined by and. If two subject are joined by and, if two singular subject are joined by and, then verb will be plural. Renu and Sinu दोनों को मिलकर plural बन गए. Plural subject है तो plural ही verb आए. Clear? Renu and Minu, here verb is play. Here I wrote goes. In go को मैंने s और es ऐड किया. If we add s और es into verb, base form of verb, and it will be singular. It will be singular. If we add s or es to the noun, then it will become plural. But here these are verb. So second sentence also write according to rule Renu and Minu. If two singular subjects are joined by and, then verb will be plural. Clear? Next, I as well as you blank space foolish. I told you that in last video I told you that if two different subject or different persons are joined by, as well as, together with, along with, no less than, in addition to, and note, then verb will be according to first subject. Verb will be according to first subject. And here we have as well as, but we have two subject. First I and second you. I and you. So there are two subject here, but both are joined by as well as. If two different subjects are joined by as well as, together with, along with, in addition to, no less than, and you, so verb will be according to first subject. And here first subject is I. I is considered plural. So I के साथ according to I we have to use here here the verb was be. be की फॉर्म यूज करनी है एंड इन प्रेजेंट बी की फॉर्म EJMR होती है, इन पास्ट was were. So I as well as you am foolish. According to I, here is am. Clear? If I write here he as well as you, then also according to first subject here will be is. Clear? If I write here they as well as you, means later subject doesn't matter. Later subject doesn't matter. We have to choose or we have to see the first subject. First subject. If the first subject is singular, the verb also will be singular. If the first subject is plural, then verb also will be plural. Clear? Doesn't matter. Second, later subject is singular or plural. Next number. It is also done. Next, he no less than his friends. Here also there are two subjects. First he and second his friends. It is singular and it is plural because friends, these are plural, more than one. So here as well as in this sentence, but in this sentence no less than also I told you according to rule that if two different subjects are joined by no less than, then verb will agree with the first subject, and here first subject is singular. So according to first subject here will be B की फॉर्म है यहाँ पर भी is responsible for this mistake. Clear? Next, number 5. A black and white cow dash grazing there or grazing in the field. Grazing means चरना होता है. Clear? A black and white cow. A black, एक black है and white. Black and white. Black and white. There are two adjectives, but both are joined by and. दो adjective है, दो noun नहीं है. टू नाउन होते, टू सब्जेक्ट होते, ठीक है, टू नाउन होते, बट here black and white टू एडजेक्टिव है, बोथ एडजेक्टिव आर जॉइंड बाय एंड, बट फर्स्ट एडजेक्टिव, बिफोर द फर्स्ट एडजेक्टिव आई हैव यूज्ड हियर अ डिटरमिनर. सो ए ब्लैक एंड वाइट काउ. ब्लैक एंड वाइट काउ. काउ एक है, सिंगुलर है. सो हियर सब्जेक्ट इज काउ. वो काउ कैसी है? ब्लैक भी है और वाइट भी है. सो इट मीन्स इट इज सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. And according to singular subject, verb also will be singular. So here what will be? A black and white cow. According to first subject, here verb is be, and be present में use होती है EJMR के रूप में. Clear? A black and white cow is grazing there. Clear? Next, one of friends. One of friends. फ्रेंड्स प्लूरल है, वन सिंगुलर है. मीन्स ये एक फ्रेज है, ये एक नाउन फ्रेज है, और इसको पूरे को मिलाकर सब्जेक्ट नहीं बनता. वन ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर मेन सब्जेक्ट वन है, मेन सब्जेक्ट वन है. वन ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, एवरी वन ऑफ द ग्रुप, ईच ऑफ द टू. क्लियर? इस तरह से सेंटेंस आते हैं. तो वर्ब अकॉर्डिंग टू ईच, एवरी, वन, नन, इनके अकॉर्डिंग सब वर्ब रहेगी. ठीक है? तो हियर क्या है? वन है. इफ आई प्लेस वन इनटू एवरी, अगर मैं यहाँ पर एवरी लिखूँ, ईच लिखूँ, नन लिखूँ, वन लिखूँ, सो वर्ब किसके अकॉर्डिंग रहेगी? यहाँ पर बेशक से हमारे पास प्लूरल हो, डजेंट मैटर कि यहाँ पर हमारे पास प्लूरल है, बट वी हैव टू चेक, वी हैव टू सी द फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट क्या है? वन है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू वन हियर विल बी हैज और हैव. हैज. वन ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. वन ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, फ्रेंड्स में से एक पहुंच चुका है, हैज रीच्ड. क्लियर? सो दीज आर, आई एम अप्लाइंग ऑल द रूल्स थ्रू दीज सेंटेंसेज. इन सेंटेंसेज में मैं सारे रूल्स अप्लाई कर रही हूँ. यू हैव टू क्रैम ऑल द रूल्स. इफ यू डोंट लर्न द रूल्स, देन यू विल बी कंफ्यूज्ड, you will face problem to solve this such type of sentence. Clear? So first of all, learn all the rules, go through all the rules, and then very easily you will fill the blanks or you will solve such problems. Clear? Next, I am writing about. Next, neither he nor his parents nor his parents attend the party. And verb attend. It is verb. So look here. Neither he nor his parents. There are two subjects here. He and his parents. There are two subjects, but both subject are joined by neither nor. In rules, in last video I told you that if two different subjects are joined by neither nor, either or, not only but also, or nor, then verb will be according to later subject. Later subject. In that rule number 3rd or 4th, look the example number 3rd or 4th. In 3rd or 4th I told you that if two different subjects are joined by as well as, no less than, in addition to, and not, together with, along with, then verb will be according to first subject. But here I am telling you that if two different subjects are joined by neither nor, either or, not only but also, then verb will be according to later subject, his parents. According to his parents, it is plural subject. Plural, so verb also will be plural. And attend, if I add f in attend, then it will be singular. But here it is plural. Then I should write here attend. Neither he nor his parents attend the party. Clear? So these are some typical sentences, and I have applied almost rules through these sentences. So rest of all the rules or rest of the rules you should practice at home. Clear? So that's all for today.